This is Professor Derf Seitz. This video shows how to calculate hypothesis testing p-values for a t-distribution using Microsoft Excel. This would occur when doing hypothesis testing for a population mean when sigma is unknown. There are two input cells. The first one, the standardized t-test statistic. Again, this would be done in the context of a hypothesis test procedure. And the degrees of freedom, which is the sample size minus 1. The spreadsheet calculates 3 p-values, one for each of the kinds of hypothesis tests, a left-tailed test, right-tailed, and two tails, which are determined by the relational sign in the alternative hypothesis. Less than uses a left-tailed test, greater than a right-tailed test, and not equal to a two-tailed test. For the left-tailed test, it uses the t-distribution function and passing in B1, B2, and true. Those are the input parameters. And true is the default for cumulative distribution. And notice that all of that is rounded to 4 decimal places. The right tail uses 1 minus B5. And the two-tailed test is a conditional. If B1 is less than 0, then it's 2 times B5, which is the left tail value. Otherwise, it's 2 times B6, which is the right tail value. The decision is to reject the null hypothesis if the probability of chance, which is the p-value, is less than or equal to the level of significance, which is alpha. And alpha is not shown here in the spreadsheet. Again, this spreadsheet is given for convenience if you just want to calculate p-values for this context.